My friends and future crypto millionaires, today we're buying $100 of a new crypto altcoin, so stay tuned for that. But please understand, I'm not a financial advisor. Full disclosure, I do hold this cryptocurrency asset, and for good reason. And the reason why is because on this channel, we don't tell you to buy, to sell. We just show you what we're doing and what the market is doing and giving us data-wise. We're educating you on this market. And if we go back and we look at Q1, the top crypto narratives were meme coins, RWA, and that's what our portfolio has been all about. Guess what? We bought Dog with a Hat in our last video, and we bought this at $3. So you can see this literally right here on the day. We're up 41%. We're up approximately 12% on our $100 buy. We bought it right around $2.97 in one of our last videos. We also bought Beam, which is a crypto gaming project. 2.5 pennies. Again, we're down, I think, $3 on this one. Okay. Now, Titan X, we actually, I know it says we're in losses heavier than we are, but it's not true because we only spent $100. So I'm trying to calculate this correctly, but it's not as bad as it seems. We're actually not down as much as this. We're only probably down 50%. And Heroes of Mavia, another gaming coin that just, yes, was clearly overvalued when we bought it. So it is what it is. So I would say half of these are looking pretty good, probably 3/4 of these. But this next one, I think, in time is going to look really good. So what is this crypto coin and project? Well, let's go ahead and look at the data. Meme coins, RWA, AI, okay? 200% average returns literally in the last quarter. So this is going to be an AI crypto coin because the data is showing us that that's where we're looking. And if we go back to our 2023 $100 YouTube buys from last year, our best performer, which is Fetch.AI. Now, this coin isn't Fetch.AI, but it's a crypto coin. And we went all the way as high as $8,000, which is absolutely crazy in our portfolio. Now, since then, we've seen a pullback in our portfolio, still up, though, over $3,000 on our $100 buys from last year. So we're doing now, 2024, publicly, right here with you, buying these coins in real time, and then me sharing with you why I'm buying them, and we're keeping track of it. That's really that simple. So we're going to add our transaction right here. The coin today that we're buying is AIOZ Network. Now, I think, again, if I were to be honest with each and every one of you, I probably would slowly kind of dollar cost average into this a little bit. But for time's sakes here, we're going to buy approximately 122 of these. And that looks pretty good. So we will add our transaction. And there we go. So we're buying right around 80 cents. So why are we buying AIOZ Network today? Well, let's take a look. AI followed closely behind the only other narrative which reached a 3-digit return in Q1. All of the large cap AI coins posted gains, led by AIOZ Network with 482% and Fetch.AI with 378%. So these were your top two in the last quarter. Now, that's pretty impressive. And if I look at my portfolio, right, from the literal last year, right? Fetch.AI was number one. We've done a 10x on our entry. Now, our entry on Fetch.AI was amazing, looking at it now, sitting at 21 cents. So will our entry here of AIOZ be an amazing entry? Well, I think that it's going to be a good enough entry because I believe that this crypto is going to appreciate in value, and I'll tell you why I believe this. So let's get into like what AIOZ really is, okay? Because there's a lot of things going on, and I could do like probably multiple videos on this project, but they're basically depend for Web3. They have AI storage and streaming. So if you do even more research into this, and I'll try to kind of summarize it for you, the major thing that I'm looking at is when it comes to streaming, right? Kind of like, from do a YouTube stream or whatever kind of stream, this is where AIOZ enables businesses to deliver high quality video content globally. So it's a streaming service there. They have also very affordable storage for apps and developers. So if you were building something, you need to store it somewhere. They have storage there. They also have AI, which is collective and decentralized AI computation. Is now available anywhere in the world. And they have IPFS, which is simple and reliable pinning infrastructure. So this is what this is all about. Okay, it's all of these things coming together. Now, what's really interesting to me is the token, right? Because that's probably what you care about the most, right? You're probably like, well, how about the token? And like, what's the token price going to be? And why do I think it's going to be where it's going to be? Well, let's find out some more information. Currently sitting at 82 cents. If we look at the market cap, it's at $800 million, 52 million in volume. Now, there's a couple of key things about this token in particular that I want to share with you right off the bat. First, markets. Where can you buy or sell or trade this asset? Here's where: Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Coinbase. Boom. Coinbase. That's huge. It has a majority of the volume as well, at about 7 million. Okay, so a lot of volume on Coinbase. Why is this a big deal? It's a big deal because I believe we're about to see retail come back into the market soon. Today is May the 7th of 2024, and I don't think that massive retail has come just quite yet. And that's because if you were to look up Coinbase ranking on the App Store right now, when that hit number 1 in the last cycle, that was the top. Today, Coinbase is ranked at like 200 or 300 at the time of this recording. It's somewhere around there, okay? So I don't think the retail has come in yet, but when they do come in, they typically go to Coinbase, right? So then they go to Coinbase and they start searching for all these different crypto coins. The fact that AIOZ is already on Coinbase and doing tons of volume and there's some thick liquidity here is going to make it very easy for people to get in and out and to buy AIOZ token, right? So that's a big indicator to me. Now, that's not the only exchange as well. They're on Bybit, KuCoin, they're on Wobi, they're on Crypto.com. I mean, they're on a ton of exchanges here. So to me, I think that because they're already on the big exchanges, that's going to make it easier for people to actually get access to this, right? If you want a crypto to go mainstream, for people to actually buy something that appreciates in value, then yeah, I mean, that's what you need. You need an easy on and off ramp. Coinbase offers that, okay? Secondly, you look at the circulating supply and total supply. Now, this is inflationary, but we're going to get into why this actually reminds me a lot of Ethereum, but with like even more use cases. It's kind of wild. But this right here basically means that it's fully diluted. Okay, so there is inflation, but all the tokens are out there. You don't have to worry about right now. And my understanding is that there's, not a whole bunch of like token unlocks and all that other kind of stuff. So maybe I'm wrong on that. I haven't done the complete research into it. However, I will say though that like the circulating supply and total supply, according to CoinGecko, are showing that the supply is there. That will continue to increase though, with inflation, which we're going to get into here right now. So most people don't know this about AIOZ, is that they have a blockchain. They are a blockchain. Okay, so AIOZ's blockchain empowers Web3 builders with one-click integration of dApps to support popular smart contract languages across Ethereum and Cosmos networks. So let's say you already have a dApp and you want to come over to AIOZ, right? You can do so in like one-click integration. That's pretty easy for people to do and pretty easy for them to integrate. And you might think to yourself, well, why would I want to do that? Well, maybe you want to tap into AIOZ's network of holders, right? Like think about this. If you were to go right now back to AIOZ, right? It's $1 billion market cap. There's a lot of people holding this crypto. Now we'd have to get into the Etherscan part of this, but and this is an ERC20 token. But if you were to go to how many holders there are, there's a lot of holders. Okay, so if you're already popular on a different blockchain, maybe you want to just easily integrate over with AIOZ because they already have a lot of your users and potential users. That makes sense to me. Another thing too is that they have nodes and Infra, which basically again allows you to run an AIOZ node to earn the yield and to own tokens that way. I'm butchering this at the moment because my mind is thinking of something else. But anyways, they have how all of this works here, which I'm going to dive into this in a second. So here you can see the average transaction fee, total transactions, block height, and block time. So this is the AIOZ Network Blockchain Explorer. Again, this works very similarly to all the other blockchain explorers, Etherscan, BSC Scan, etc., etc. Okay, so the fact that this is like the underlying thing to me is huge. So you can see all of these different fees in AIOZ tokens, right? Because in order to use the blockchain, right, you need to like have gas fees and do all that. Like the fees are coming in the AIOZ token, right? So think about that. That's a big use case for the token. If I'm going to buy and hold something, I want to know like there's got to be something that it does, unless it's a meme coin in which it just goes, volatility up and down and people are just speculating on, a dog with a hat, right? Like fair enough. Okay. So, but this is not a meme coin project. Okay. This is completely different. So because it's not that, I want to know that like, hey, look, where are we at with this? And again, you can see the circulating supply, total supply, everything is right here, market cap, very similar. So let's get into now their tokenomics. Now this was released about a year ago, and I want to, go through a couple of things here that are really, really important. So this is the minimum inflation and the proposed inflation schedule. So as of December 25th onward, inflation in the AIOZ network token will be decreased by 1% a year starting on December 25th for a total of 4 years. This means a total of 4% reduction and a resting inflation rate of 5% by 2026, which again is only like a couple years away from here. So here's the proposal inflation schedule. 8%, we're now on 7%. Next year it'll be 6% and 5%, right? So with long-term base target of 5%, we aim to considerably increase the incentivization of holders to stake within the AIOZ network. This precedes the inflation will be distributed as the following: 50% of inflation reward to validators and delegators, as well as 50% of inflation sent to the treasury. So again, that's a really big deal because it gives you an idea of like, okay, less is more, right? Bitcoin has halvings. This has, inflation being reduced. We've all saw what happened with the price of Bitcoin, and now we're seeing what's happening with the price of AIOZ, right? It's been increasing in value according to the data here. It was again, one of our best gainers, literally in the last quarter. So again, let's see here, right here, led by AIOZ Network, 400%. Okay, it was the number one gainer, right? So to me, I just go where the data goes, and that's what it's showing me at the current moment. Now, many might think, oh, well, it's overvalued. Well, if you do your research, right, and you kind of figure out, like, Fetch.AI, right? Let's take a look at Fetch.AI right now using our crypto here. Let's compare to Fetch.AI, okay? So Fetch.AI's market cap is 2 billion, all right? So you're literally, and the price even looks kind of similar, like the price action here, okay? So let's go through a comparison of the token before we get into some more things. Here are the two charts, all right? So the chart was all the way up here at like $2, came back down. Bear market, like absolutely the buy of a lifetime at a penny here, clearly looking, into the future. Has had some resistance around $1, and now it's kind of dipped back down. And I don't think we're going to stay below $1 for that much longer. That's what I believe, because I believe it's on the trajectory that's very similarly to Fetch.AI. Now, as soon as Fetch.AI broke those like local highs here around $1, it absolutely soared all the way to like 350, 320. So could I see something happen very similarly to AIOZ? Yeah, I mean, all-time high was all the way back here though, right around I think $2. So could we go back there and then above and beyond? It's certainly a possibility. I'm not promising you that. I'm just comparing charts and sharing with you the data that's in front of us, right? But this is what I'm thinking. This is my thesis. So we've had some very nice support being held here, kind of like going back to support around this area, 54 cents. So we didn't get all the way back down there again, and we look like we're moving higher. So if we break this dollar mark, you better believe we're going to start screaming up to $1.50 and $2 probably very rapidly. And that's why I'm willing to take the risk reward here. Now, the downside is sure, we could be wrong, and this could go back down to 50 cents if Bitcoin crashes. It's always part of the game that we're playing. So our thesis is we're not going to be selling this for probably a little while here, okay? Now, given market conditions and how high or low things go, maybe we'll make different choices, but our goal is to simply just take the $100 here, kind of like set it and forget it, and just be happy with seeing how the market kind of just let the market do its thing, right? Most people try to trade in and out of this stuff, and that's when they end up getting wrecked. But anyways, going back now to AIOZ, let's get into the conclusion now of the burning. So they're going to have a token burn. We have worked hard in an effort to ensure a healthy future for AIOZ Network token, implementing changes such as programmatic token burns based on network usage, as well as regular token burns in several areas. Now, here are the current following instances. 50% of all AIOZ Network blockchain transactions are going to be burned. That's pretty amazing, right? So yeah, that just kind of says for itself. 5% of all node rewards are going to be burned, 5% of all infrastructure revenues, and 5% of all AIOZ native DApp revenues. So again, like, that shows me that they have things, while it's inflationary, they have a lot of things in like here that's going to help control the price, okay? And then if you get more demand, less supply, because you're controlling the supply to the best of your ability with the deflationary things, this is where you see crazy run-ups, right? This is just, again, what the charts are showing us. So that's why I've decided to take a $100 bill and put it on AIOZ today at these prices and make this video sharing with you why I believe that it's going to be, a positive investment in the future. Now, I don't know. I don't control the market. I have no idea when that's going to happen, but that's what I believe. So if you believe that as well, I encourage you to continue to do your own research. And look, I could be wrong here. This could definitely roll back over and go lower in the short term. We're talking longer term for this, right? Because remember, I want to show you our previous portfolios again, because a lot of people, and my timing is never going to be perfect, right? Like, I don't have a crystal ball. Nobody knows for sure. But you can see here our dog with hat, which is now in profit. okay? When we bought this, it actually went down. So like the next day it went down. It's like, oh, nice job, Joe, right? You bought a coin and it just keeps going lower. We bought it like literally like right here at like right around this area. And then it literally went down to like $2.50. We were down like, I don't know, 10, 20% on our money there. But then the market recovered and now dog with the hat's up a little bit. And now it's kind of coming back. Like, look, there's going to be volatility in the market. So understand that when investing in crypto, especially altcoins, is very risky. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to do it with your money. I'm just showing you the data, the statistics. And I need to reiterate this because here on this channel, that's like what we do. We just kind of show you what's going on. And yeah, we've been profitable investors here. And that's ultimately what you're looking to do. So if you want even more to learn with us, join us in VIP. And if you're ready to become a cryptocurrency millionaire, I've been doing this now for 8 years. I've literally become a cryptocurrency millionaire myself. There's multiple other strategies and different coins, and there's so much going on that like it's just even overwhelming to me at points. But I want to show you as a reference too, every single portfolio that we built in VIP using reference has been in profit. Like literally every one. That's like, okay, well, looks good now that we're back in a bull market. Yeah, but when we were back there in 2023, most people weren't even here. And also, most people weren't even paying attention. So yes, that's where the rewards go. In Bitcoin, we're up a ton, okay? In our HODL portfolio, we bought Bitcoin at 16,000. Wasn't the exact bottom, but it was pretty darn close. Ethereum at 1,200, nice. BNB at 270, nice. Okay, we're literally hundreds of percentage in profit for every single one of those buys. Now, if you go into our other top portfolio videos here of top 25 altcoins. Like, well, Joe, how you been doing on those altcoins? Up over 100%, $10,000 in the profits between Ethereum, Solana we bought. Literally, average buy price at $14 in our VIP. We bought it at $16 here, okay? So, again, we just have been making portfolios, showing you these different portfolios. We even made a meme coin portfolio. It's up over $11,000. So, again, you can watch in VIP. Everything's documented in there. All the videos are in the Millionaires Club. So again, all is right there for you to watch and listen and learn. If that's what you're interested in doing. We're just sharing with you what we're doing here on this channel. Thanks for being a supporter. Smash the likes, click the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next videos. Stay tuned.